credit for
He
the
didn't get a double. He didn't get a double.
No, but I mean like.
This is what AI said.
Oh.
We use AI.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Why not
A single and then caught stealing. He got out at second.
So that's how I did it right. Oh, okay.
Was that the one that I just saw?
Or, yeah.
So it just happened like in the last game.
Yeah.
Can you say it again, but whispering in my ear?
Walked all over the place looking at us like,
And I tried to tell you.
I know, right?
I sent you a text.
yeah, that's not gonna do too much.
What did you type into AI?
Which is score someone basically described the situation. He hit a single that got out when he second.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, there's an ice pack in this cooler. I heard a cigarette. Yeah, I heard that. Yeah.
Got home, changed, hungry, so I made him soup.
Yeah. And came back.
Concrete stuff. Bro, you're supposed to protect the blue, man.
Come on, man. Come on.
10.
I know.
Come on.
Hey, Javi, top of everybody, bro. Come, be mobile.
Come on.
See that ball hit your pocket, man.
Touch your glove, you gotta catch it, baby.
Oh! This game, guys, this game.
Oh boy, Softy.
Wrap it up with the pitcher, Javi.
Good hit, Tommy. Oh, the ball's in.
Oh, is that hold on. I gotta run for that, huh?
He said, oh, it's my turn.
He's the one.